Everyone, this is Dr. Yuti. Now today we are going to explain the problem. Find the Fourier transform of f of x equals to e power I k x. A less than x less than b, 0. X is less than a and x is greater than b. Okay, now find out Fourier transform of this function f of x. First of all, write the given function. What is the given function here? F of x equals to e power I k x, where a less than x less than b, 0, where x less than a and x greater than b. Okay, from Fourier transform of the formula here, capital F of small f of x equals to capital F of s. Okay, now write the Fourier transform of the function. Integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x e power I sx dx. Now here what is f of x here? E power I kx, where a less than x less than b, and 0 x less than a x greater than b. Okay, where a less than x less than b, e power I kx. So f of x e power I kx dx minus infinity to a, and a to in b, f of x e power I sx dx. Here also f of x e power I sx dx. Here in this formula, by the Fourier transform of the function f of x, split the integrals. First of all, this is 0. Okay, again last integral will get the 0. Why? Because your function defined 0, where x less than a and x greater than b. Okay, now, so here the function f of x, substitute where x less than a, 0, and x greater than a means 0. Now a to b f of x e power I sx dx only is there. So here in this defined interval, given that the function f of x means here e power I kx. So write here e power I kx, e power I sx dx. Now here write the formula a power m into a power n, applying the formula here, e power I into k plus s into x by I into k plus s. After integrating this, first of all write here a to b e power I into k plus s dx, sorry, k plus s into x dx. Now integrating this, e power I into k plus s into x by I into k plus s, after substituting the limits a to b. Therefore, first of all substitute upper limit e power I into k plus s into b, minus, next of all substitute lower limit in place of x, e power I into k plus s into a by I into k plus s. Therefore, f of x equals to e power I into k plus s into b minus e power I into k plus s into a by I into k plus s. This is the solution of the given problem, that is f of x equals to e power I kx, where a less than x less than b, and 0 where x is less than a and x is greater than b. Okay, thank you.